Morning, everyone. The tool that I'll be reviewing for you guys is Screencast-O-Matic, and this type of tool works best for those of you that are interested in flipping your classrooms. I was first introduced to this tool about 9 years ago when my school became a one-to-one laptop initiative school. I had all these lectures, these presentations, and I wanted to make them more engaging. I also wanted to make them shorter and not as long to help with student engagement. So what I love best about screencasting is that it allows you to create short 15-minute videos along with the voiceover options and the webcam. So you've got those two options to use at your leisure. You can put these over your presentations. For our quick video here, I've put this over the beginner's guide to Screencast-O-Matic right off of the website, which is a really awesome resource that tells you how to use this tool. Um, what I like best also is that it's super easy to use. It's very user friendly. You have to create an account, which you can use with your Google email address. The only one downside to this, and this has changed over the last couple of years because with every tech tool that becomes popular, they want to try to upsell you with some more options, but you can do what you need to do with the free version. Again, this is a really awesome tool. I like how super easy it is to use, and I like that it makes your presentations more engaging. You could also use these for PLCs, staff meetings. It's versatile and all the different options that you can do with it. Once you're done with your videos, you can upload them to YouTube and have students or colleagues access them through that platform as well. And you can also link them to various LMSs. So give it a shot. It's awesome.